Now I stand in your freedom every day. I don't deserve it, but you still chose me. Love so deep, Lord, it overflows me.
Jesus, thank you for mercy and grace, for every tear you wipe from my face.
When I fall, you still call me by name. Jesus, thank you for mercy and grace. I was weak, you were strong in my place. Every scar turned into saving grace. From the dark to